Good morning, students. Today we are revising map work from French Revolution. You can see here 4 questions are given, children. You can see them. Question number 1, a port related to slave trade. Bordeaux. You can see, children, here I have marked Bordeaux, a port related to slave trade is Bordeaux. It is a port. From where the slaves were brought from Africa to this port. Second one is epicenter of panic movement. Epicenter of panic movement, Nantes. You can see here it is Nantes marked. Next, question number 3, capital of France as well as the place where Bastille prison was there, which was later on stormed off. So, a capital of France as well as the place where the Bastille prison was there, Paris. You can see here I have marked Paris. Question number 4, place of national anthem of France. The place where the people started marching, singing the national anthem, and the national anthem is in the name of a place in France. That is your Marseillais. Marseillais. So children, these are the 4 places which you have to mark in your map. In the exam, you will be given the questions. Places will be marked to you. You have to identify them. You have to identify them, and those answers, history map questions, you have to do in the answer sheet, children. You have to do in the answer sheet the answers, because everybody cannot get the map of France from the market. So, we will be giving the map work, history map work only for identification. So, you will identify the place and write in the answer sheet. I hope I am clear. So, you can see all the places again, children. Paris, which is the capital of France as well as place where Bastille prison was there. Nantes, epicenter of panic movement. Bordeaux, a port related to slave trade. Marseillais, a place upon whose name their national anthem was sung, that is Marseillais. So that's all, children. Do this map work, practice thoroughly. Since there are only 4 questions, it is easy for you to practice. That's all, children.